From my son Tony Ghana prison, my life is a living hell. Everyday life just get harder for me, son. Me get so old now, me can't even manage to dig up my garden for plant anything anymore. Me really miss Tony. If Tony did there, he would have helped me plant me yam and sweet potato in my garden, so me could have go sell a market. You know, say, me I go write Tony a letter and tell him my predicament. Dear Tony, you know, say me really feel bad because me not go able to plant any yellow yam and sweet potato this year in my garden. Me get too old now for dig the tough garden. Me can't manage anymore, son. Me know if you did there, you would have helped dig it for me. Me really miss you in these trying times. Love, your dad, broke and hungry. Me son write me back from prison. I wonder where I say you now.
Dear Dad, don't dig up that garden. That's where I buried the bodies. Love, your son, Tony.
Wait, it's who in the yard so early in the morning? Where you I dig up my garden for?
Sir, we got a tip that illegal activities took place here.
If me did rich, you couldn't just come dig up my place up.
We are sorry for the inconvenience, but we didn't find what we were looking for.
I saw you deal with poor people all the time. My son write me from prison again, so quick.
Dear Dad, go ahead and plant your yams and potatoes now. That's the best I could do under the circumstances. Love, your son, Tony.